Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and today we're going to show you how to install Adobe Flash Player. What's Adobe Flash Player? It's a plugin that actually enables a lot of the web content, videos, and all sorts of animated ads and also on some websites, games. Flash is really a something that's very important to view web content. A lot of pages use Flash actually to display the content. So first things first, if you're using Google Chrome, you don't need Flash. Google Chrome integrates Flash into its own browser, and that's a cool thing because with Chrome you actually don't have to think about updating your Flash player or anything, and it's already there, which makes it easier. If you're using Internet Explorer 11, actually there's a integrated Flash now in Internet Explorer also, so you might not need Flash there either. The only browser that seems to need Flash, downloading Flash, is Firefox. And so if you need Flash Player for Windows XP, Windows Vista 7, 8, if you ever need it, then just go to www.adobe.com. Be careful not to go into any other website to download this. One word of caution: there are sometimes fake pages that actually will display, hey, your Adobe Flash is old, click here to upload. Never do that. If you need Adobe Flash or you need to upgrade your Flash player, go manually to www.adobe.com. Make sure you go there because there's a lot of websites that are tricking people into clicking the Adobe update in the page, and it brings you to this fake page where you download all sorts of viruses and crapware. So even if you see, well, update your Flash player, go manually to the adobe.com website. Once you're there, on the bottom right below download, you'll see Adobe Flash Player, and you click on that, and it's going to ask you for Adobe Flash Player. Download. Now make sure you take out that little check mark in the middle. It's either Google Chrome, this one is for McAfee Security Scan Plus, whatever it asks, whatever it wants, take out that little check mark to make sure you don't have any other software. Click install on the bottom right, and it's gonna start the download process and actually make you want to download. So if you're using Firefox or whatever piece of software you're using, it's gonna start the installation of your software. You can, of course, here in Firefox, I'm going to record it, and then I'm going to click on it right here to start it. If you're in Explorer, it's going to ask you, do you want to run? You'll click run. In Chrome, you can also click the download. That's going to be on the bottom left of the screen, depending on the browser you're using. And then it's going to download and install Adobe Flash Player 11. If you have an old Adobe, I really recommend that you update your software, because it's very important. There's a lot of flaws and security problems in Flash Player. And close all the open browsers, all the software you have, close everything, because Flash will require you to stop every type of program that it needs to install to. For example, here I had Firefox open. It says, well, you gotta close Firefox, and then you retry again, and normally everything works fine. We are at Adobe Flash Player 11, so make sure that you have the latest version. Lots of viruses come through Flash, unfortunately. And once it's done, you are now Flash enabled, and you have this little Flash animation here that shows you that it works. And that's it. You've got Flash Player. Now you can go on all of those websites that require Flash and see their content. On some browsers, you might need to actually activate it the first time that you'll go into a website. It's going to show you an Activate Flash button, but most of the time it works pretty much on its own. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, maybe you have a feature of Windows or Mac or iOS or Android that you'd like us to talk about, or a problem that you'd like us to help solve, let us know. We'll try to help you. And hopefully you enjoy our channel and we'll come back to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.